Okay, all thanks to Blord. Blord, thank you very much. Now only God go bless you because you don't know exactly what you have done. You know, for a long time now, Akusimikwoku Blord. For a reason, you want to go? For a reason, Akusimikwoku Blord. I'm sure most of you must have noticed that now Ezugo Kusimikwoku Blord because of a reason, and that particular reason, please. Anamayo permission from Onyedu behind that reason to allow me to say exactly eventually now. You got to go. So I'm now permission granted. So even you will say, Blord, thank you very much. It's because it is only Blord that has been able. He is the only one that has been able to stress VDM to the limit. It is only Blord that has been able to stress VDM to the limit. All along, it has always been people taking him to court for stressing them to the limit. And he has always been the bully. He has always been the bully. People in Kuje court. And today, the bully has been bullied. Oge go na mmadụ megidori ife. Oge go na mmadụ megidori ife. Onye agakasibazi aka na-achọ ife onye eji wee subdue sigo. Malụ na inweta n'onye ahụ. Malụ na ebe ịbagolu na ịbago n'ebe mmadụ aha baba. And I thank Blord for being able to show us that na onye awụrụ mmadụ ka ọwụ. N'onye hapụrụ mmụọ anụmhụ ife na-ekwere onye egwu. According to Blord, also that the fourth arm of government has finally run to the actual government for help. Now, that one aside, if I can do so na ọkwa ime ụfọdụ ndị rata ụsa ụbụrụ fada abi ọfụma. Ọkwa ime ụfọdụ ndị rata ụsa ụbụrụ fada abi ọfụma. Imagine celebrating because na Blord was remanded in prison, celebrating. So to them, this is victory. So to them, this is victory that now remanded Blord in prison. When we all know that in this country, between Blord and ụmụnwaanyị ya na enwere okwu, let me not mention their names, but you people know the names of those women, that he was remanded in prison twice in the same Kuje Prison or escort. He escorted Blord to Kuje Prison because he knows the road and the way around that place. He was remanded in prison twice. Only the last one, 1 or 2 weeks. The other one, only the first one, 1 or 2 weeks. I'm not talking about police detention because he has been in and out of police detention man on a few days. You got to go. But I'm talking about him being remanded in prison. It was twice by Umuwanyi. So if you feel that those Umuwanyi reminding your almighty Blord VDM in prison means victory, then keep celebrating. You got to go. Keep celebrating. If you think that Bayelsa State First Lady reminding Livinus Umuwama in prison is victory to the Bayelsa State First Lady, keep celebrating. Onya can do na sometimes hama ko bolo ono. Then you attack him to that rubbish. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu na-attack him ebe ahụ, ọ na-attack him in good faith. Ọ na-attack him in bad faith. If you suppose to read them. If reminding people in prison and putting people in detention is all it takes for someone to be defeated, just know that your VDM has been defeated many times. A long time ago, he has been defeated. But if you feel like putting someone, not even putting someone, that court reminding someone in prison is no can ebido. Man, if you were not victory, just know that your almighty VDM has been defeated a long time ago. He has been defeated a long time ago. So I don't know the reason for the celebration. I don't even, and for him to really iwepụta time solu Blord jewe Kuje Prison. What it means is that na this guy meru ya alụ, this guy meru ya ụlọ aba n'anya. I was busy doing something. You notice this past few days or 1 week, if I man have attacked online, I was busy organizing something. You other go on the way yesterday. I decided to come and say something. You other go for VDM. You will put a time. Solu Blord where Jele Kuje Prison. The guy Meriola Banana. Eche no hand if eche no he found him. And to tell you the reason why. If this guy in a mail that this guy is the intelligence of Nigerians, the gullible Nigerians in the belief we now fight a personal battle. This is the person who spoke against Evangelist Ebukobi. Mgbe ijele printed a picture Evangelist Ebukobi or printed a picture we na apagari na the street of Abuja. Wòlíì na apagari na the street of Abuja. Na akpọ Evangelist Ebukobi onye ohi. Na akpọ ye all manner of names, putting his picture. When he was arrested, this was the same guy who came out to say na ọwụrụ na ife ilu na mmadụ defame rugu or ife ilu na mmadụ be anything, that what you need to do is to take that person to court. He has taken. And don't forget that na Ijele was eventually arrested and taken to court, and the court will remind ya Ijele. Don't forget. Now the same thing, he tried to get Blord arrested. Blord whoever beat here in Abuja. He now ran to the court. He is now celebrating. Video Ngwalogo. If you want me to show you the video, I will show you the video. Video Ngwalogo, that defamation or whatever thing you call it, I warrant it detail mad. I warrant it remind the mad. You want to go? That if you may one damages usually claim, you go ahead and claim that damages. Good on ya baby cheap. Or unkonya ye jengo jenga. Or unga compensate compensate you. But now I'm happy that Blord Emegoye, I wonder that he's actually a human being, that he is nothing less than a human being. Look at how he's celebrating a whole almighty VDM, celebrating that he has succeeded in putting Blord. If you feel that Blord is a nobody, if you feel that Blord has not done anything, why is he celebrating? Why is he celebrating? If he feels that Blord is a nobody, that Blord is not even up to people, why the celebration? Why the celebration? Why is he celebrating and jumping up and down? He even drove to Kuje Prison just to go and make sure that they didn't want Mamochi Balo Prison. You got to go. So, I cannot do so blind. Oh no, can't blind. If you think you can stand with the VDM Mbobana prison 2 times, if you think you can stand with VDM Mbola police cell Ubolone, if you think you can stand with Livinus Wama Mbari they are in prison, why are you tagging me? What makes you think that I cannot stand with Blord? What makes you think that I cannot stand with Blord? So I stand with Blord. Gidigba. The game is just starting. My happiness is number 1. All na Blord they stress go the hell out of VDM. All na emotional and Facebook blackmail, social media blackmail fail upoho. Chetapona if one use against people, number 1, he will want to use his social media influence to show you that he's the highest person with social media presence. He will want to use it. He will say, I will say something about you. How many millions and millions of Nigerians will watch it? If that has not failed, if his bully has not failed him, if everything he holds dear has not failed him, he will not run to the court. He is the one who told you that he's the last person that will sue anybody. No matter what, when you say you cannot sue anybody and you have not told us the basis where you can sue or you cannot sue, but looking at the level of provocation in the people, you now said that you cannot sue anybody today. It is because no one will stand up against you the way and manner that Blord has done. Blord is the only one who has stressed you to your last limit. Many people had that gap up to that level. That is why you started looking for the real solution. You started looking for the real solution. But Blord, Mary for this thing the way before there. Yes, because the best form of defense is ake. Wow, the best form of, yes, he is as guilty as you are. Why did you anyway do? You were waiting for him to first sue you before you can sue him. When he has put up your videos and he has talked down on your businesses, which is a serious crime in this country, you allowed him. You were waiting for him to sue you first before you sue him. You said the moment he land the suit on you, you are going to launch a multiple. Why must you wait for him to first come for you? Yes, somebody who has blackmailed you, somebody who has defamed you, somebody who has even put your own picture, he has put your own video, he want to picture up. Will he make your own video? We promote his own business. Or they could not turn down 700 million. Have you ever been has Blord ever been anybody's ambassador? The answer is no. But he used your own face, your own video, your own business to promote his own business. You see, in this kind of case, I know you were not even expecting, because you were thinking that he's a man of his own word. So you were actually thinking that he will not sue you. That when he was talking about suing you, that he was just making jokes out of it. But tomorrow that this is a desperate man who needed to prove to Nigerians that he can do something to you. You don't know. This is what it is all about. The whole antics in he has never gotten to this limit with anybody in Nigeria, and that is why he think he cannot sue anybody. He never knew that no one, anybody has stand up to him with his 4 to 5 million followers. You use your less than 1 million followers, less than 800,000 followers to take away sleep from his eyes. You just use his own game against him. It's his own medicine, because this is what he's used to doing. It's his own medicine. Now, it's his own medicine. That he has now run to the real authorities. The fourth arm of government has now, for the first time in history, run to the real arm of government and the real authority in Nigeria. For the first time, it has always been him being the defendant. This is the first time he is being a complainant in his own case, not in another person's case. Wow, kudos. Congrats to Blord. At least can the man matter that this man will obalana abwenime. No nya na nakutuku lo ya la hola. No nya ni fe na ri aboda ye, because one put through onwe ka anayo machine onwe ife na check here. At least ka people malo ni ife nwere ike check this man. Obala oso iwopuri ola atula bananya. Nyo ye papo. Ye egwu. Suppress ye, intimidate ye, bully ye. May ife ni no na eme ndị mmadụ. On a mende mother to reduce people to zero. You reduce him to zero. So I want to you can now of course I know what I am likely to expect. I'm not even trying to tell you what to do next. So whatever thing you want to do next, you do. But what I know is that if you are waiting for Ezugo to check one bit, it means you don't know Ezugo. I stand with Blord 100%. 100%. I stopped making the videos then because of something. Because now somebody will regard for something. So this one, I said no. Make sure not to say I said go chicken out now. And this will gather bosso. You know that this will gather bosso. So now when I know umeflefu. Now when I know umeflefu. Kuje Prison Blord bana video mbagolubolo ne pota. Yeah? Kuje Prison ebo bagolubolone. All na going into Kuje Prison would defeat. What it means is that he has long been defeated. But if he knows that going into Kuje Prison, I mean, who need defeat here, why are you celebrating? I know to you, it seems like the impossible has happened. Yeah, I know to you, it seems like impossibility has happened. I understand the excitement and the joy. You know, I understand. He is the one who underrated you because he was thinking that you can never, that you are a man of your own words. A coward. A coward. But it has to take Blord to prove to Nigerians that the VDM is a coward. This is Ezugo. Busy running something and not run. Where they wake him up. So, Kete Yenugori feature in Ngwa. Bia na comment section bia bewa kwa. Bewekwano. Ndala. All over social media, the VDN has been remanded in prison. We stand with this one. Prison is not the end. Whoa. Today you are celebrating the sentence. Now this social media, you know, as for the shago of you want to go. The same tools on a backward justice for. Offer opportunity about you use all you use to celebrate here. So celebrate my own now. When it gets to your own turn, allow me to celebrate in peace. That is it. Don't even come after me and tell me, why are you celebrating? No. Celebrate your own. When it comes to my own, allow me to celebrate in peace. This is Ezugo. Peace and love.